Hello everyone, and thank you so much for joining me today for another Stampin' Sunday video. This is Laura Buechler of Inkyfingers Papercrafting, your independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Nanaimo, BC. Today I've got a terrific fancy fold card to show you. Burnish all your fold lines so that your panels are well defined. Don't worry too much about what's going in what direction at this point. We'll fix that all later. Take your 4 small pieces of cardstock and emboss them with your favorite embossing folder. I'm using the Pretty Flowers embossing folder here. Now let's do some stamping. I'm going to stamp a sentiment on the white cardstock and then add some flowers and leaves around it. I'm using the stamp set Happiness Abounds. Once my stamping is finished, I can add it to the matte layer of cardstock and then attach this and the 2 largest pieces of designer series paper to my card base. Next come the panels of designer series paper that go directly above and directly below my stamped sentiment. The next 2 pieces of DSP go to the right and left of the sentiment. And finally, the 4 pieces I embossed with the Pretty Flowers embossing folder. Now I'll start to fold my card into the Tri-Shutter Fancy fold I want. The center panel is going to go to the front first, while the top and bottom panels go to the back first. I'm going to use some dies from the Blossoming Happiness dies set to cut some flowers and leaves out of the beautiful designer series paper. I'm going to assemble these together to decorate the front of my card. And finally, I'll use some Glossy Dots Assortment to add some bling. And there's my finished card. Remember that you'll get a chance to win this card when you share the video from my public Facebook page. Leave a comment below to let me know that you've shared, and maybe I'll be sending you this card in the mail.
Thanks so much for watching, everyone. I really appreciate it, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Please drop me a comment below and let me know what you think. And if there's something specific that you'd like to learn about, just ask. Remember that you can purchase all the products shown on my website, inkyfingers.ca, where you'll also find all the current catalogs, current promotional details, my events calendar, lots of tutorials and videos, and the sign up for my email newsletter. Have a great day, everyone, and happy stampin'! Bye!